What's up, beauties? So we're just gonna hop straight into the video. Right here, I'm just showing y'all how the lace looks on this wig. This wig is from my company. This is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It is in a transparent lace. Right here, I'm just showing y'all how good this lace is, y'all. Only thing I did to it was bleach the knots. That's it. Okay, so the first thing that I do before I do style my wigs is I do hot comb everything back just so I can see exactly where I'm going to pluck, where I want my part at. It just makes things more easier and cleaner for me. So I just go ahead and hot comb everything back before I move on to the next step. So right here, I'm just defining my part and where I want it to be at. This is going to be a side part unit with baby hair, so I'm just going ahead and pulling that out now so that I know exactly the direction that I'm going to be going before I start actually plucking and styling the wig. Right here, I'm just plucking behind the parting that I did pull out. If you guys need a full tutorial on how I actually pluck my wigs, I'll link that tutorial down in the description box below. I'm not going to give you guys the game for free, but you guys can kind of get a glimpse of what I'm doing. Alright, so now that I have everything all nice and plucked the way that I want it to, now I'm going to go ahead and define that part just a little bit more. I'm going to clean it up just by plucking in within the part, just making it look a little bit more cleaner and so that the part can come out more. Now what I'm doing here is I'm taking my wax stick and I'm going in on the edges and also where the part is at so that when I hit it with the hot comb again, everything lays down flat and smoothly. This way, this is how you pretty much, before you even style the wig, whether you're going to do curls or anything like that, I like to do this part first because it just makes everything flawless. The parting is extremely flat and smooth, so when you go ahead and do your curls or you define your curls or whatever you're going to do with the remaining of the hair, everything just looks so much smoother and so much better. I know y'all probably wondering, like, why am I tweezing the baby hairs? And the reason why is because, girl, you don't want no thick baby hairs unless that's the look you're going for. Then go ahead, sis, do you. But for me, I don't want very thick baby hairs. It just looks unrealistic. What I found that is when you do pluck the baby hairs a little bit, the thinner they are, the better they and more realistic that they look. So this is what I'm doing right here. I'm just plucking until it's as thin as my liking, and then I go ahead and proceed with actually creating the baby hairs. Okay, so when you are cutting your baby hairs, you want to cut in the direction that you want the baby hairs to go. It just helps it, makes it more easier. You don't really have to do that, but like I said, it just makes things more easier, especially when you hot comb it afterwards. It just makes things flow easier, and then you don't have to be pretty much trying to form a baby hair for the longest. But right here, I'm just using my black Got To Be glue, the gel, and I'm also using a spoolie. I found that instead of using a brush and just using a spoolie, the spoolie that you use to pretty much brush your eyelashes out with, it comes out so much better. It pretty much brushes through each and every strand of the hair, and it just gives off that more realistic baby hair, natural. It just gives off that good look, and that's what I'm going for. Okay, so all I'm doing right here is defining the curls with warm water and a brush. Nothing spectacular, as it is natural wave hair, so I really didn't have to do too much to it, but this is the final results, and this is how everything turned out. I hope you guys stayed to the end. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also turn your post notification bell on so you won't miss when I upload. But until next time, you guys.